Hi friends, we are in a cafe near Gardos Tower, a famous landmark in Belgrade. It is also known as the Millennium Tower.
Gardos Tower.
It was built in 1896 as part of a group of towers across the Austro-Hungarian Empire, celebrating 1,000 years of their history. Gardos Tower is the only one of those towers still standing in Serbia. The tower is located on a hill in Zemun. From the top, you can see the Danube River and a wide view of the city. This is a special place to visit, full of history, culture, and amazing views.